The Indian Air Force, IAF, is planning to locally manufacture Mistral short-range air-to-air missiles, WVR-AAMs, for its helicopters. The Mistral is a highly maneuverable missile that is capable of engaging targets at close range. It is currently being used by the IAF on its Mirage 2000 and MiG-29 fighter jets. The IAF is planning to locally manufacture the Mistral missile under the Atmanirbhar Bharat, Self-Reliant India initiative. This initiative is aimed at reducing India's dependence on imported weapons and equipment. India plans to offer incentives for the manufacturing of small modular reactors, SMRs, which are smaller and can be factory-built, unlike conventional nuclear reactors. SMRs are seen as a promising technology for industrial decarbonization and can accelerate India's energy transition. The government is also working on the regulatory aspect to ensure safeguards for the usage and adoption of SMRs. France has begun talks with India and Saudi Arabia for new Rafale fighter jet orders. India is considering an additional order for up to 80 jets, while Saudi Arabia is not currently a customer but is reportedly interested. The talks are significant as they demonstrate continued interest in the Rafale and could lead to major export contracts for France. Chetak helicopter crashes at INS Garuda, killing one ground crew member. Helicopter was on routine training flight during maintenance taxi checks. Indian Navy expresses condolences and orders Board of Inquiry. Russia has offered India a new format for the development of weapons systems, under which the two countries would jointly develop and produce weapons systems that meet the specific needs of the Indian Armed Forces. The new format is a departure from the traditional way in which Russia and India have developed weapons systems and is significant in the context of India's growing focus on indigenous defense manufacturing.